The group also submitted memorandums to various central government offices, including that of the President of India, Prime Minister, Union Culture Minister, and Director General of the Archaeological Society of India. They also urged the ASI DG to act to issue their previous demolition order and stressed that this time the illegal structure be razed to restore the heritage site to its former state.
Church is obviously supporting the cause, and the cause kide? Cause is illegal construction in the protected area. Archaeological Survey of India, it has been marked there. ASI protected are and kida ASI protected are because there are lot of heritage monuments and ruins there. दूसरे, it is recognized by UNESCO. तो approach फक्त क्रिस्तावाचो ना हिंदुवाचो ना मुस्लिमाचो कोणाचो अप्रोच टू फक्त गोंयकाराचो न्हू अप्रोच टू आख्या भारताचो. This issue is all India issue. When ASI has got involved, and if I go one step further, it is the world issue because it is the world protected monuments are being कसले बांधकाम करूंक जायना. दुसरी गोष्ट म्हळ्यार ते म्हणटात कितें जमीन कोणे विकली कोणे हायली. वी आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड ती जमीन कोणे विकली आनी कोणे घेतली ती. आमचो मेन मुद्दो हा तो ह्या प्रोटेक्टेड एरियाचेर जे बांदकाम आयला कन्स्ट्रक्शनाचेर आमचो विशय आसा. जमीन ती आनी कोण टॉम डिगन हेरीन घेतली म्हूण आमकां कांयच प्रॉब्लेम ना. कांयच प्रॉब्लेम. प्रॉब्लेम इज द कन्स्ट्रक्शन पार्ट.